It's a late August trip. The weather was perfect that day. We jigged up some bait near a buoy using a sabiki rig. We caught some Spanish nearby, then we ended up finding some cobia and got into them. I tested that new Reaper rig that you saw in one of the previous videos. No bites yet, but I'll try again when the kings get in a little thicker. Oh, yeah, you're also going to see where we catch a seagull. It was released safe and sound. Hope you guys enjoy, and please subscribe.